Happy New Year, it's 2020, we made it. Good job. You know, a new year means getting rid of old baggage, figuratively and literally. So aside from upgrading my luggage, I also need to get a new travel backpack since I'll be taking some shorter trips this year. I wanted a backpack that I could use for everyday carry, but also have a separate compartment so I could pack my clothes and my toiletries in. Sorry about the lighting, like it's the sun, it's not me, I can't control the sun. I guess I could use my blinds. Alright, so this video is going to be an unboxing of my new travel backpack. I'm going to show you how I pack it. I'm going to take it on my trip to Dallas next week. It's a short 2-3 day trip. And then I'm going to come back and give you a full review on how it went. Alright, so what we have here, oh, it's upside down. So what we have here is the Knack pack from, well, Knack. This is a medium-sized expandable travel backpack. I got the limited edition Glacier White. Why white? Because I'm a glutton for punishment. Alright, let's get this unboxed. Well, I think that was it. Okay. So this says, you can read it, one bag, one life. Comes with a little thank you note saying thank you for spending all that money on us. Here's a thank you. Knack info card. On the back it says get to know your Knack, which we're gonna do right now. Ooh, you know what? It has like a little gray inside, which is great. Because you know what? Glaciers are not like all white. Glaciers have some gray, maybe a little bit of blue. I'm actually glad that it's not like bright white. Some foam padding. Okay, this is it. This is the bag. This is the profile. It's nice and slim. So here are a few features of the bag. It can hold up to a 15-inch laptop. This is the version 2. It has a false bottom, which I really like. So when you put your laptop in, there's a bottom inside that's not the actual bottom. That means when you put your backpack down on the ground kind of hard, it does not impact your laptop at all. I got the medium size because it's guaranteed to fit under most airline seats, which is important to me because I always shove my backpack underneath the airline seat. Equally important is this compartment here because when you shove it under the seat, I always like to put my quick grab items in here like my AirPods, chapstick, gum, whatever. This little compartment here. You can see this actually has a bigger compartment than my North Face bag, which I love my North Face bag, but it was time for an upgrade. So I can actually fit my whole hand in here. It's crazy. It also has this front zipper here. Also has this front main compartment, which is great. I like to put little cable management cases that can go in here. Has some smaller pockets as well that you can put in, you know, other items, miscellaneous items. This seems pretty roomy. And then we have the main front compartment. These also come with YKK zippers, which are much more sturdy than your normal zippers. Although these are not YKK. Interesting. Oh, so this is nice. So this actually has a front pocket here. It's see-through mesh. This is actually quite roomy. Another pocket. Oh, it comes with like a nice little key holder as well. Alright, the zipper here. On the bottom here is another pouch that you can use to, ooh, nice little see-through pouch that you can probably, you know, put like cables and stuff in, I'm assuming. Here I'm gonna probably put my MacBook charger and my USB hub extender thingy. And it has a place for other cables as well. This is great. This is actually great. This is a nice little compartment down there. Okay. On the back here, we've got this foam padded support, which is nice. It's supposed to be fairly breathable as well. We'll see. And then it has, as you can see, it has a pass-through, so you can put this on your carry-on luggage. And straps. So Oh, it has a nice little chest strap, which I actually never used to use, but I use now because I'm old and my back hurts, and so this actually helps. And you can undo this chest strap like this. But what I also really like is you can adjust the height of your chest strap. Here, these just hook onto here like this. Like so. So here's the expandable main compartment. On this side we've got another mesh pouch. And then here's where I'm gonna pack all my clothes and toiletries. And this is like a garment strap. And then here is where you're gonna put your laptop. And it also has a side pocket for your water bottle. This pocket is also designed so that when you put a water bottle in here, you can actually zip it most of the way up, I think. So we'll try that out. That's it. It's a quick overview of the bag. In the next part of the video, I'm going to pack this for my trip. Hi, this is me from the future. When I was unboxing the bag, I actually forgot to show you the expandable feature of it, so I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, so this is the bag unexpanded. As you can see, it's nice and slim. And the zipper to it is... I can never find the zipper to it. Zipper to it is right here. So, unzip that. It unzips all around. And then it expands just like that. Cool, right? And there you have it. A 30-liter bag. And when you're done, you just zip it back up. And it's slim again. Alright, so it is Monday night. It's the night before my trip to Dallas. I fly out tomorrow morning. So I've got my Knack back here. I'm actually traveling really light for this trip. It's only Tuesday through Thursday, so it's not a long trip at all. Regardless, I think this will be a pretty decent test to see if I can fit everything in this Knack pack here. Over here I've got my toiletry bag, change of clothes, pajamas, socks, neck pillow over here. I think I'm going to bring my Insta360 camera just in case I want to shoot anything. Got my iPad accessories, my iPad itself, very important. Got to watch movies on the plane. Got my MacBook power supply. I've got this USB hub if I need to charge multiple devices. I've got an extra battery charger. Wet ones, very important. Got to clean down those dirty seats. Gum, chapstick, and this is my little medicine pouch. This is my case that holds all my cables. Gotta have some pens, field notes if I need to write anything down, and then a flashlight here because you never know when you need a flashlight. So I think that's all I'm gonna take. So I'll pack this all in, and then the next time you see me, I'll be probably on the plane, and then I'll be in the hotel. So over here I've got my neck pillow. Right off the bat, there's no webbing or strapping on the front here, so that I can use these hooks to hook onto, which I miss about my old backpack, my North Face backpack. I think it'll do. It's just gonna kind of swing around and stuff. I'm not sure if I'm happy about that, but it is what it is. Actually on the side, I've got my water bottle. It fits well in here. It zips up. Doesn't zip up all the way. Oh, no, actually it does. I stand corrected. I've packed my Insta360, my flashlight, and my USB hub charger. So that all fits, which is good news. My laptop charger, field notes, some medicine, and that's all I have in here. I can fit more stuff if I want to. These little pockets here, they look like they're for credit cards, but like come on, no one ever really puts credit cards in these things. They're not that deep, so I'm not really quite sure what else you would use these for. This zips up like that. You can push the zippers in, nice and snug. Coming over here to this top compartment, which I use all the time on flights. When the bag is shoved underneath the seat and I want to reach and grab something really quick, I put all my important stuff in here. So it's always like an arm's length away. Important stuff meaning eye drops, gum, wet ones, and then I'm going to also put my AirPods in here too. What I really like about this is that this top compartment is much bigger than the top compartment on my old bag, my North Face bag. So it holds a lot more stuff, and it also has a little divider here. And then coming over here, this front main compartment, which is actually very roomy. I could actually fit more stuff in here, but what I have in here right now is my iPad accessories here. Got my medicine pack, got some snacks. This is my sunglasses case. I've got all my cables in here. That fits nice and snug in this front pocket. I also decided to bring along my selfie stick for my Insta360 in case I decide to use it. And then this zipper compartment here, or along some instant coffee, you know, just in case, I don't know, I get in a jam. Battery charger, some pens, then I've got my keys here. That zips up. Over here, I've got my iPad and my 15-inch Mac, not my 15-inch, my 13-inch MacBook. Fits nice and snug. Zips up easily. Okay, so here's the main event, what you've been waiting for, the luggage area. So I've got my toiletry bag, which I thought I could fit all zipped up, because this bag here zips up like this. I guess I could try to like make it fit, but you know what? It seems easier to like just lay it flat, so I opted for that. Here's my clothes, my shirt, 2 t-shirts, pajamas, that fits. Over here on this side are my socks and underwear. So yeah, it all seems to fit. And there you have it. And this is the thickness of the bag here. Fully extended. So I'm excited to see how this fares. Okay, so I'm back from my trip. It was nice and short. Let's get right into my review of this backpack. So first, some cons. The chest strap needs some improvement. So I would rather have a snap buckle design versus a hook design. So when you're walking down the airport and you want to use a chest strap, with a snap buckle design, you can just snap it together by feel. You don't have to actually look at it. But with this design where it uses a hook, you have to actually look down and make sure it hooks correctly, which either means you slow down or you have to come to a complete stop. The other thing about the chest strap is that for some reason this one, you can't pull it taut after you have hooked it. At least I couldn't figure it out. Every time I pulled it, it just would not pull. So you actually have to remove the bag, tighten it to where you think it's going to feel right, and then put the bag on and hook it to connect it. So I think that's kind of a design flaw. On my old North Face bag, it had like a bunch of web strapping on it where you could like just hook items onto it. And this one, as you can see, I had to tie my neck pillow onto the top handle of the bag. And it works, but it's, you know, it's kind of janky. I would rather have some kind of hooks here that you can just buckle on. Also, the zippers to open up the luggage compartment of the bag, they're a little hard to find. I found myself kind of hunting around for it. But what's even harder to find than those zippers are the zipper for the expandable to expand the bag itself. Like, I could never ever find that. I mean, I could, obviously, but it was really, really hard to find. Those are really the only cons I had of the bag. Moving on to pros, this bag does fit under an airline seat. Also, I was sitting in the aisle seat, and the space underneath that seat is normally a little smaller than the other seats. So that was great to know that this bag fit. So after 2 flights, it did get some slight markings on it, which is to be expected. The bag is of high quality though, so I'm not too worried about its long-term durability. Also, there's a lot of space in this bag. When I first unboxed it, I thought, oh, maybe I made a mistake. Maybe I should have went for the large 40-liter size because this bag was so slim and small. But once you expand it and get everything in it, it all just fits. And actually, I feel like I could have fit even more in there. I probably could have squeezed in 1 or 2 more changes of clothing. So my final thoughts are, I like this bag a lot. It's comfy. Aside from the chest strap, it works really great. It feels good on my shoulders. It's durable, it's functional, and it just looks really good. I highly recommend getting one if it suits your travel needs. If you already own one, leave a comment, let me know how you like it. Alright, so that's my review of the Knack medium-sized 30-liter glacier white bag. If you enjoyed this review, please leave a like and maybe subscribe to my channel. Alright, see you next time. Bye.